Hi there my friends, this is Benjamin here from saybuy9to5.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys a comprehensive review of this new information product launch called the Evergreen System. The Evergreen System is going to be officially live on the 8th of June at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. So in a nutshell, the Evergreen System addresses two main aspects of affiliate marketing. If you're somebody who is not new with my YouTube channel, I'm sure you have heard of it many times that I'm quite active on the Quora platform. And Quora, as you would know, is a Q&A platform per se. So I'm pretty active in different online spaces such as the Make Money Online niche. And the two main questions that I always receive when it comes to the Quora platform is number one, what exactly is affiliate marketing? And number two, as a beginner, what are the step-by-step approach that I should adopt to start my affiliate marketing business and earn commissions from it? So the Evergreen System addresses these two particular main aspects and main questions which a lot of newcomers ask about when it comes to affiliate marketing. So if this is something of interest to you, do stay on until the end of this video as I'll be showing you the members area, the training section of the Evergreen System, as well as showcasing some of the awesome bonuses that I have prepared for you guys should you actually decide to purchase the Evergreen System via the first link in the description box below this video. So without further ado, let's take a look into my bonus page, which looks something like this. Once you click on the first link below this video, you will reach this particular bonus page, and all the bonuses will expire 5 days from now, which is basically on the 11th of June, 11:59 PM. Alright, click on any of this yellow color button, it will bring you to the main sales page of the Evergreen System, and from there you can actually reach the checkout page subsequently. Alright, let's talk about the price point subsequently shortly, and let's talk about the main custom bonuses that I prepare for you guys. Now, my custom bonus number one is, a lot of people ask me on these questions in terms of how do I actually rank my YouTube videos to garner massive organic traffic. So finally, I'm letting my secret out in terms of how exactly I rank my YouTube videos with the assistance of a software. My bonus number two is, how do I actually create stunning bonus pages using Commission Gorilla? And in this custom bonus number two, I will move step by step in terms of how do I actually do so. Alright, my custom bonus number three is, how do I actually determine the right bonuses to offer for different kind of sales products. Alright, so it's a very short training videos, but very comprehensive and straight to the point in terms of telling you what kind of bonuses do I determine is suitable for different sales products per se. Now, last but not least, my bonus number four are the 5 vendor bonuses, which include the Traffic Handbook, Profit from PRR, YouTube Ads Excellence, Online Ads Mantra, PRR Hackathon Workshop. So these are the 4 different bonuses involved if you were to purchase the Evergreen System via the first link in the description below, in the description box below this video. Alright, so when you click on any of these buttons here, you will reach the main sales page, which looks something like this. As you can see here, the Evergreen System, no experience is needed, unlimited free traffic on tap, complete end-to-end system, no monthly fees, everything is one-off charge, no paid ads, no website required, no email list required, and most importantly, there's a 30 days money-back guarantee, thereby making your investment risk-free. So click on any of these buttons. Once the product is launched, it will lead you to the main checkout page of the Evergreen System. So without further ado, let's take a look into the members area, the training sections of the Evergreen System. Alright, so if you can see over here, this is the main dashboard of the Evergreen System. This product is actually devised and designed by Jay Lee as well as Tobias Brown, these two different JDs. Alright, so this is the main training section. Now you have things like finding your products to promote. So where exactly can you find the correct offers to promote? Everything is addressed over here in training number one. The different promotion platforms, link approval techniques. Now, if you're actually moving into ClickBank products, there is no need for you to actually get any form of approval from the different vendors. But however, ClickBank has its limitations in terms of the kind of products per se. If you're actually looking for new launches, most of these new launches are actually on the Warrior Plus or the JVZoo platform. And in these two different platforms, there's actually a need for you to request for affiliate links from all these different vendors. The reason is very simple. The vendors are not familiar with the way you drive traffic to their respective sales offers. And if you were to drive actually, unfortunately, trash traffic to this kind of sales offers, it will actually detrimentally affect the kind of KPIs, key performance indicators of the launches. So that is the reason why it is not easy to actually get links approved from these vendors on Warrior Plus or JVZoo platform for new launches. Thereby, within the Evergreen system, JD actually shares with you guys in terms of how do you increase your chances of getting your links approved, even for products before their actual launch period. Next will be choosing your evergreen product to promote. Introduction to Commission Gorilla and using Commission Gorilla is in conjunction with one of my custom bonuses. The tools needed in order to conduct your affiliate marketing business. Recording the review with OBS. OBS is a system, it's a software which I use also in terms of doing this recording. Alright, so JD will share with you guys in terms of how do you start doing your recording using OBS software, which is actually free to download. Editing the review video using iSkySoft Video Converter. You can choose to you can choose to edit the video, or you can choose not to edit the video. It's entirely up to you. Uploading your video to YouTube. Alright, now uploading your video to YouTube is easy, but how to actually rank it on top of the YouTube searches is a different school of thoughts, which is actually covered in my custom bonus number 1. Next, JD actually come up with an entire section in terms of all the tools and resources that you will need. Things like the Commission Gorilla, Image Shed, Canva, GetResponse, Munch-I, Wondershare Unit Converter, Video App Suite, VSTC Video Editor, OBS. Some of these resources are free, some of these resources are paid. Right? But however, if you're actually looking into earning money with affiliate marketing, now bearing in mind that what I share with a lot of my students, yes, you can actually go through the free method, but no matter whether you are using the free method per se or the paid method, the moment you are into any form of businesses, you will need some form of tools to help you to conduct your business in an efficient manner. Alright, and from the way I look at it over here, Commission Gorilla, Image Shed, all these kind of softwares, we are looking at less than $100 per se. Alright, everything add up. Okay, now conclusions. Now coming to these bonuses is actually where I would say the main crux, the main gist of the Evergreen system comes about. Bonus number 1, 2, 3, and 4 actually shares with you in terms of traffic. Traffic is very important when it comes to affiliate marketing business. Now let me put it in a very blunt manner. Even if you're promoting a trash product, but you're able to generate hundreds of thousands of traffic every single month, you will still get sales. Compared to if you're actually getting, if you're actually promoting a very wonderful, efficient product, but you're getting zero traffic, you will not get any sales. So that is actually the gist and the importance of traffic when it comes to digital marketing. So bonus number 1, 2, 3, and 4 shares with you in terms of how do you actually drive massive traffic using paid ads or using social media free marketing strategies. Bonus number 5, PLR Hackathon Workshop, talks about how do you actually start launching your own products on different kind of affiliate marketplaces by using PLR products. Alright, and every single one of these bonuses is made up of a series of training videos. It's not just one video per se. Like for example, the traffic handbook, if I click on it, right, I click on this icon. Now you will see that these are all the different training videos involved. Video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4, video 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so it's a very comprehensive bonus sections, I would say, that's actually devised by JD herself. Okay, now going back again to the Evergreen system and the categories. Alright, so we have already covered the welcome section, the main training, tools and resources, conclusion, as well as the bonuses. Let's talk about the upgrades and the price points at this point in time. Now before that, let me move into the unadvertised bonuses. So you have the motivation module, the secret, as well as the missing secret, which is the audio package. These are the 3 unadvertised bonuses. Now bearing in mind whatever I share with you guys in terms of the bonuses, which is advertised, the unadvertised bonuses, the main training sections, the tools and resources, so on and so forth, everything is covered with just the front end price. Okay, which I'll talk about the pricing shortly. Then there's also this thing just for you special training. This one will be learning how to make 10K per month using your Evergreen system knowledge, which is in fact a webinar, I believe, by Jono Armstrong himself, which is where I'm actually one of the members as well. Okay, now going back again to the Evergreen system price points. Okay, from my bonus page, you will see I have actually done a write-up of what exactly is Evergreen system all about. It's a complete training system that teaches your tribe how to reinvigorate and breathe new life into the existing and new affiliate links and all promotions that could earn them $100+ per day using this system. Now, not only that, the system will work for any niche that you wish to promote. Nothing is left out or left to chance. Suitable for beginners and experienced marketers alike. Okay, now everything that I mentioned to you guys, you can access it from the front end price of just $12.95. The first upsell is this thing called the Evergreen System Pro, retailing at $37 with $27 downsells. It's an additional set of advanced and comprehensive videos teaching you tips and tricks on how to make your review videos stand out from the crowd, helping your promotion videos to be seen by more potential buyers and gain more views, and ultimately helping you to get ranked higher. Upsell number 1 works in conjunction with my custom bonus number 1. Now, upsell number 2, done for you campaigns at $67 with $47 downsells, whereby you will get whole of 10 hot selling done for you campaigns, which include a done for you bonus page, review video with product demo, 5 or more custom bonuses delivered for you. But this will require Commission Gorilla software. Upsell number 3 is a reseller rights at $37 with $17 downsells. This is where you get the reseller rights to the Evergreen system and earning 100% commissions across the entire sales funnel. Upsell number 4 is a one-to-one coaching with Jaylee herself, which is retailing at $97 with $77 downsells, whereby you get an hour of one-to-one coaching, conversation, and collaboration, whereby you can ask Jaylee on how to use the Evergreen system to its fullest potential with an action plan to help you to move forward should you encounter any issues. Or you can actually ask Jaylee anything that you want about internet marketing. Alright, I've also included a series of frequently asked questions over here. Now, last but not least, let me recap on my custom bonus number 1, which is how exactly I rank my YouTube videos to the top of the searches. Custom bonus number 2, how I create stunning bonus pages. Custom bonus number 3, how to determine the right bonuses to offer for different kind of sales products. And last but not least, these are all the vendor bonuses, the 5 vendor bonuses for fast action takers only. So if you're actually looking into a systematic approach in terms of understanding and applying whatever you learn to start earning commissions through affiliate marketing, do consider purchasing the Evergreen system, as this is a very comprehensive training videos coupled with all the bonuses that shares with you in terms of everything that you need to know when it comes to driving traffic to your respective offers. Alright, so with that, I'll see you guys with my subsequent videos, and take care.